Diego? Do it, Diego. Oh no.
Stay there, Diego. Stay there.
Diego, come across.
Diego,
Oh.
stop!
Oh my god.
Listen
Bro.
to him. Why'd you listen to him?
Bro, what? I literally boxed Diego
Diego,
accidentally.
come on, bro. Like, why do
Diego,
you?
you don't want to fucking.
Bro, this guy.
Sandy,
This
back
guy
up.
said, I'm not backing up. I'm winning, bro. I got less damage on my truck. I'm winning.
What the fuck? Oh my god, I'm on fire!
What?
How am I on fire? Bro, I'm
Oh,
spreading the fire to you. Wait, I can't move! My engine's burning up!
Yeah.
Bro, what?
Danny, ram him.
No, we're on fire! We can't move!
what? In the end,
Go backwards.
No, we can't! We can't do anything! I can...
I think he's down with me, bro. I think he's down with me. I will.
Bro, you're gonna blow up before me. Oh! Fire's out! I can't drive you, so...
in the end, I win.
No, you don't, bro. Our engines are. I wish we should get out and duel, hand-to-hand combat.
I box you the fuck up, bro.
Bro, Sani, I'm gonna win. I didn't know the engine could set on fire if you're just ramming each other. Bro, Sani, what the fuck?
Bro, you guys are about to blow up.
Someone's gonna blow up. It's
Oh,
gonna
yeah.
be Will.
No, it's gonna be you,
It'll be me?
bro. I didn't even know this could happen.
I'm gonna go on my phone.
I'm gonna go get food.
Bro, you have like 1 minute, dog.
Yeah.
Yo, Pascal was playing clamps against the fucking.
Let me assess the damage, actually. Nah, Sandy, I think your truck's a bit more beat up than mine.
Bro, look at yours.
Bro, the back end of yours is, like, crooked.
Guys,
Well-
I just want to inform everyone that Montreal got beat 7-2.
Yeah,
Wow.
that's normal,
I
though.
know. I already knew.
The fuck am I looking at, nigga? What the? Bro, why y'all niggas just standing there?
Bro, we can't move!
You know
Our
what-
engines went on fire.
Bro, they're literally fucking. They-
Our engines literally burned out.
Like you could have backed up one tiny little inch, bro, and you could have been in that fucking spinny shitty.
Yeah, bro, I can't do anything now. What do you want me to do now?
Jump off a cliff.
I can't get out of the car.
Ah, you're boxed, nigga.
I actually am. You know what? That's accurate.
Chris Brown being sued for $20 million by a woman who claims he raped her.